Watch the style, big split, fully chip, you know we
Happy birthday, Carleen.
Worst friggin' thing where I'm to dancehall is money pull up. You see, prior.
The square root of 69 is 8 something.
Yeah, jumping there, young boy. Hey, 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 hey. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. We have quite missed the piece of mix up in this countdown here. Una do not want to miss it. Me know una wait, so please just sit back, relax, grab a popcorn because we have a bit of chatting to do. Let's get into the top 10 social media countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Fraser is back. Me mommy rocket. So recently, I don't even know if I chat because oh my god, this countdown. So anyway, so Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce kick-started her season with a fantastic run in Kenya. Take a look.
Mashabiki tunyamaze tafadhali. Mashabiki tunyamaze tafadhali.
Oh wow, that is how you do it. Jesus Christ. Wait, oh my god, how did I forget to say happy Mother's Day to the Burritos out there. Big up on a nice, clean, ambitious, hard-working self. That's why una bless, una watch the countdown and give me the energy to keep on doing and talking each week. Una make up the majority of the supporters. And sometimes una watch and sit back within a family. So let me just say it. Happy Mother's Day. I hope it was great. I hope you get a gift them. I hope you get for relax and kick up on the foot and just don't do anything. Enough love to Uno. Anyway, so back to the fastest mother in the world, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. So she scorched the track with 10.67. No, Shelly-Ann at 35 is running 10.67. Round of applause for Shelly-Ann. Genetics, man, because the girl here, like, at this point in time, I don't even know. I think this is just like natural talent. Natural talent. Shelly-Ann look like say she'll go after that Merlin at the innate talent to her career well beyond 40. Let's just see. But anyway, burritos, what do you think of this amazing run? Number 9, Unruly Kids. Mid-detention. Okay, burritos. So in the last social media countdown, I spoke to you about the whole Ensure song, but back road girls suck it with the Ensure, and it seems as if the kids are now partaking and they're getting into some trouble because of that. Take a look at this.
Back road girls suck you with it.
A few moments later.
Come on, man, Nav.
Okay, all right, yes. You always have the one pitting in. Every time you leave a little loose mic about the place, somebody will go up there and say something inappropriate. But the principal dealt with it and saw him getting punishment. But boy, so the next story here, no, them pitting here, they take it a step further. They actually decided to act out the video in a them school uniform and post it on social media.
More road girls suck you with the Ensure. Give me 24 hours later.
Oh wow. Yeah, I'm not gonna pretend as if I'm shocked. There's a whole entire debate. Does music influence kids? Yeah, it does. Might not be to run up and down and go but yeah, some of the little things them, man, especially the little kinky stuff them, yeah man, it influences the kids them. Yeah. Might not be the booyaka, but definitely the little, you know, the little freaky, the little yeah, that's all. But burritos, do you think that they got the right punishment? Sound off below. And what would you have done if these were your children? Sound off below. Number 8, mackerel karaoke. Meeting food. Okay, burritos. So I know many of you have been wondering what is going on with Mackerel, the woman who says she take people man and all of these things. Well, it seems as if Mackerel has gone into a new field and she, I guess, is now a karaoke extraordinaire hostess. Take a watch.
Mackerel at it.
Fresh flavor what they did there now. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. I told me sit down by your man. I told me sit down and stand sorry. I told me sit down by your man. But I said, Freestyle with them. But I like karaoke very fun. I like the vibes. I want to pick up the people who come out here. But now I'm crying that I'm just like all the people that just come free spirit and free minded. I have to go bust a one song. Remember every week something this? I have to go drop a one thing. Remember me a bad singer, you know? Remember me an idiot singer. Remember me a bathroom singer. Me a good singer. But me have to think about my song. Fresh out song you going to give me. My ears and drop out of my ears, brother.
You know, congratulations, Mackerel. Everybody is pivoting, especially during the pandemic, and find different spaces to earn and make a little life for themselves. And so if this is what you're doing, Mackerel, is the honest living. And kudos to you. You know, Mackerel, she still have our flavor and she still have our audience. So, you know, just take this and run with it. Yeah. Number 7, dancehall it couple. Well, burritos. So let me just say this. No, people are speculating online that the hot dancehall artist right now, Skeng, might be courting rising dancehall sensation Stalks Ashley.
When? Who spot our time? Who spot?
The two have a single out now. They have a song with the music video visuals out now that is called Taliban. And yeah, and they have been, you know, promoting the song, appearing on several stage shows. And then this video with the two, I guess, vibing together, got people speculating that maybe the two are now an item. Wow. And some people online say, why all of that girl them always get the Grammy, man? I don't know, it's just a thing, opposites attract. And so if they have collaborating and they are finding joy in each other's arms, then let them be. Them not hurt the body. The two of them do them thing and I make it song, so make them be no man people. But let me know, burritos, like, are you here for a Stalks Ashley and Skeng relationship? Sound off below. Okay, burritos, so let me just like pause this right now to just promo myself. So right on May 26th, that will be my birthday. Yes, man, Gemini youth and all of these things. And I have some wishes because some time ago I put some wishes and the burritos came through. They asked for some Dutch pot, shower curtain and what is that? One keckle. And y'all guys came through for me. So this year, but the only thing I think I want this year is that I want a bag from Brescia, a Brescia bag, any type of bag. I want pose like the people them where I advertise for Brescia. That is what I want. So any one of the burritos out there that doesn't mind getting me a Brescia bag, please to do so. And then the next thing that I want, I don't mind t-shirts. I love rocking like a graphic tee or some like nice little t-shirts and stuff. So that is the only thing. Like I love a t-shirt because I don't gonna wear, so that is just it. So those are the gifts that I want. Okay, that's it. A Brescia bag, and you can send me if you have a company that has graphic tees and them something there. Send it to me. I will definitely wear it and big it up. Okay, that is it. Let's get back to the countdown. Number 6, ex-women link up. My word. Okay, burritos. So, you know, there's a popular song that say, no for friend your mate, no friend your mate. Girl, don't friend your mate. No friend your mate, it no up for debate. Yeah, I mean, just a freestyle that right there, so.
Wow! Oh my God!
Yeah, man, but it looked like said that is not going for these two, Dancehall Queen Carleen and D'Angel, the ex-woman of Dancehall entertainer Beenie Man. They were together because I guess it was Dancehall Queen Carleen's birthday, and she invited D'Angel to come there and I guess, you know, give her a little tribute and perform and them something there, and this moment happened.
Good night, everybody. Happy birthday, Carleen. And I wish you nothing but success and greatness. You're fabulous. Fabulous then, fabulous even now, more. And I have to be here because together as females, we are stronger. So we have to embrace each other and support each other as females. That is the only way we ever survive, right? Someone wants to big up yourself again, Carly. You're a woman and a lady to the fullest. And tomorrow, give thanks to the fullest. And have your life, you gotta live it. And give praise to the source that give it. Carly is stronger. You're gonna live a life longer. Your name has been slender. And the April is trying to put you under, but tell them it's stronger. You're gonna live a life longer. Your name has been slender. Big up yourself, Dancehall Queen. Whenever and ever, you will always reign. And so, you do with a purpose. And all these things, big up to all and nice and decent. Tiny kid woman them in the building. And so.
Okay, yeah, man. I like them type of something here. I honestly love it. Like, yeah, man, Beenie Man really say family. Like, Beenie Man bring these type of things together. Like, you can imagine if there was like an ex-woman club for Beenie Man alone, like that alone would have been entertaining. I mean, you could have like Carleen, you would have Crystal Tomlinson, you would have the Angel, you would have could have bring in Barbie. I mean, it would have been a fantastic show with all of these women just like doing different activities like Real Housewives. It would be great. Oh my God, somebody please to make it happen. But anyway, burritos, let me know. Would you be open to supporting and sharing space with your ex's ex? Sound off below. Number 5, Mango Tune. My number 11. No, well, it's not really number 11. It's number 5. But anywho. Alright, burritos. So I saw this video online with Elaine and her mother, and this song is a debate about mango. Do you prefer an East Indian mango or the Julie mango? I'm gonna attack the social media personality. Sound off. We must sound off below. Watch the video. Sound off.
Hey! Once and for all, make we settle this now. Cause enough people around of them out. After this, then I go have no more doubt. Cause we got it figured out. Nothing no sweeter than a Julie mango. A Julie mango. Are the best one and everybody know. You're wrong, is a East Indian. Hey. That is the superior one. Ton Julie are the best thing. No mango can testing. And when you're done, it no left a bag of thing in your teeth them. Nothing hang, and it no have a bag of worm. You better learn East Indian, sweet like sugar. No other mango could ever try measure up. No blacky, no hairy, no stringy, no milly, not even Bombay. Nothing no sweeter than a Julie mango. A Julie mango are the best one and everybody know. The wrong is the East Indian. That is the superior one. A true? Shell. Oh my God, Elaine has something like that girl can make a jingle in her sleep. Okay, and mommy was bringing it with her melody. You know, I love mommy voice. But burritos, what am I going to say? Like, I think I definitely prefer an East Indian mango. Yeah, I prefer East Indian mango, but I want to hear from Uno. Are you team Julie mango or team East Indian mango? I want to hear in the comments, okay? Number 4, Terry Mommy Day. Okay, burritos. So, you know, I mentioned earlier, so I'm going to give you the big up, all of the mothers the big up. But Terry Carell, she celebrated her mother and her grandmother recently, and she posted these awesome, lovely videos to her Instagram family. And trust me, people, you can't watch this and your heart don't melt. If you look on them video here and your heart don't go so, woo, 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 yeah, man, you're cool. You're dead. You're not alive right now. You're Casper. You're might friendly, but you're definitely a ghost.
As unique as you are.
I wonder what that can be because they just want me.
All right, well, I brought something that I think you're gonna like. Come, sit back.
I always know that God is on our side. So when came here the other day. No. is Alex.
I'm coming out. I want the world to know. Do, baby.
And I like a gown. Not as gorgeous as yours.
I'm going to do what with Grandma?
Yeah, because I want to... Your vibrations, and I want to be just as vibrations.
All right. I'll make Alex put it in the budget.
And I'm going to try and be again.
All right. I'm here to help you.
How old. I'm going to hit the world again.
All right.
Rise.
Okay. All right.
All right, so that was Grandma, and oh my God, honestly, I love Grandma. I feel like I just go a Grandma yard and just spend time with her, because she look like she give good advice and great stories. But let's see what Mommy had to say.
Then I said, you look so beautiful.
I do.
And then you tell me that Grandma blouse never open, and then...
I do. So I do. I really do.
You look beautiful.
Thank
you. Look stunning. Like, you look absolutely stunning.
Thank you.
Honestly. I wonder that outfit can fit me. And I can just get it tailored. You look stunning, Mommy. You really do. Oh, let me take photos.
Dance.
What dance is that, Mommy?
You want your dance by Los Indios.
I'm sure she doesn't dance it like this. She looks like a zebra.
No, Terry. No, man. Your mother split you out. That, I see him egg on the dinner. See him egg was split. Una twin, just one to come out probably 30 or 40 years before the other one, because why she sound like you and why she look like you, so no, sir.
I don't know what that dance is.
No, man, honestly, I just love when Terry shares these private moments with us, because it just makes me just feel the feels. Like, I love it. Like, Terry Carell, you're watching this, please to continue giving us a glimpse into your life. If you want to get the reality show, go right ahead, because I will definitely be watching. Oh, and congratulations on your book. Number 3, Triple Talk. Okay. All right. So recently, the Nightly Fix had one of their airings, and they brought on Triple X to share his views on the growing debate as to why men are playing so much like gun tune and stuff, and not playing as many songs for the ladies to gyrate. This is what he had to say.
Worst friggin' thing where I'm to dancehall is money pull up. You see, prior to money pull up, the man them will never ever get bookings with a ton of them yard and sit down and wait for them time to come bust. You see, the money pull up phenomenon now, everybody feel like say them a shit now. Selectors feel like the selector will get the most money pull up are the best selector. And I'm here to tell you that's a f***ing lie. The problem with them selector is them licky and them craven. The easiest thing for do is to play the chopper song them and get the money. The hardest thing for do is do your at homework. Dancehall, I told you now, music, brother. I mean, I talk this straight. When you go a party, 50 man around a table and drink liquor.
Yeah.
Them no want to see the girl them enjoy themselves. The man them turning at the that diva them. They want to be seen. Back in the days, the girl them wanted to be seen. And when I put my 2 and drop in the Twilight Zone, and when you
all right, so that is what the selector had to say. Triple X, you know, he's never afraid to really speak mind. And when say, I think many people are resonating with the message, many people are thinking that Triple X might be on to something. I mean, there's definitely something there, but we can't really jump into that topic right now because it will take another 15 minutes. But Burritos, what do you have to say? Are you in agreement with Triple X? Sound off in the comments.
Christiana High School principal, bringing back the old school.
And guess what? I went back home and I turn up. Guess who stopped me at the gate? But the dean of physically. She said, nothing wrong with your shirt. Nothing wrong with your pants. What's the what she said? And when you take a new class,
Number 2, Poppy responds. Oh Jesus, Pim, no sir. Like me literally hear Popcaan and say, why? Oh gosh. Anyway, Burritos, I know I don't really want to hear about this topic. So number 2, Poppy responds. Alright, Burritos, so I do not know if you have been living under a rock, but this story is what everybody, I guess, is talking about right now. And you're talking about it really and truly is because, I guess, Popcaan decided to add some fuel to the dying fire.
Lord Jesus.
Some time ago, there was a video that was released with a brother, and he's alleged to be Popcaan's brother. Eating some chocha.
All right, this is it, people. Let's move. Let's go, 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 go.
And so in the video, you can see a lady there. You can't really see her face, but her leg, apart together, and it was apart, and so the man was between it, and he was eating the edible arrangements, right? Then it came out that Popcaan had unfollowed his brother.
Family. Yeah, Unruly. I me say family.
No. And then now there is this tweet that Popcaan released online with him saying this. Yeah man, anybody get bun off from them turn off killy. Friends, family, enemy, etc. Unruly can't be tamed, remember that. Hashtag great is she, woy.
Me mama, woy, me belly, laugh enough if you laugh or cry. What funny?
Yes, so Popcaan, the unruly boss, is making it known that he does not stand for this, and as such, he is parting ways from his brother, because how dare his brother go down and eat the chow-cha? Because basically Jamaican rules suggest that men do not eat the chow-cha. So I guess that was fundamentally something that Popcaan felt is a cause for concern, and hence the separation. I have many things to say about this. I just think that this is just like funny, because really and truly in 2022 this is a big deal that a man like does oral sex.
Mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. Like, I think
is this like, oh my god, ooh, like really and truly people reach wee on people now and them look at something that's a Jamaica really slow and behind if I decided like the oh my god. And then it's the hypocrisy for me, because you are in a camp and associated with an artist that I'm very much sure is enjoying all kind of different type of activities, and because I guess it's your brother and you can't really gain anything from him, you can easily cut off, but you can be associated with somebody who is a Drake way.
Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out.
And so it would appear a little bit unfortunate to many people online that like, how you don't have the same energy for some of these foreign artists that you have been associated with. In the attempts to try to move up the ladder. Yeah, you understand that point as well. But I hope that people eventually like respect Popcaan's decision, because it's Fiend's decision. No matter how I guess stupid you might think it is his decision and his right to do so. But I'll take things a step further and I'll say this, and I'm sorry for just talking like this, but listen, we just love chat. I believe that one of the most human things that we do is being a hypocrite. Like, yes, I feel like it is almost an innate part of the human experience is for us to operate with a sense of hypocrisy. We set up these sort of building blocks and these sort of rubric for how people should operate, even though many of us ourselves tend to deviate from these type of guidelines.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Like hypocrisy is just like all around. Hypocrisy is in religion. we never forgot to explain that hypocrisy is in politics, where sometimes you have politicians talking about, you know, let's end crime and violence, even though they also have their connections with many of the people who are wanted. You get me? And then you have the hypocrisy in parenting. Many of us grew up on this thing like, do as I say, not as I do. And then we wonder why we see this being reflected in Popcaan's action. It has been embedded in the culture for a long time. You get me? There are people, I remember just being so shocked hearing people talk about like, yo, let's put down the guns and let's all come together, and then going to a dance and then seeing the same people literally big up the gunman them will enter the dance and big up the gangs. And I'm just like, oh wow, this is insane. People go to dances and then when, you know, go to places and when there's a homophobic song, they go up and then bust them blank the same way, even though they themselves are open and probably have members of their family who identify as that and they love them, but it's a performance. You get me? So, you know, people just have to understand them actions and understand the culture and just kind of take everything with a grain of salt. So what Popcaan said is not shocking. Of course, it makes you want to ask some questions, and many people have been clapping back online to Popcaan, and like, it is crazy. Like, many people are not here, but all I'm just saying, burritos, and all I'm saying, people, it's just like, listen, it is okay to have your own mode of conduct and your own standards and your own rules for you. But you can't necessarily dictate what another man chooses to do, because ultimately, if you start to want to disassociate from everyone who does not follow your set guidelines, then you really will be left alone.
Fool in the chat, tell me.
And you do not want to just have people in your life and in your circle who do everything that you do and then ultimately do not actually have your best interest at heart. Because you can't party all the man of them down there. You can party a lot of people who they do not consume that chocha, but at the end of the day, they might not have your best interest at heart like your own sibling. So I guess you make the choice and you have to do with it. You have to deal with it. Burritos, what do you have to say about this entire story? What you have to say about Popcaan comments? Do you agree with the killy, the unruly boss? Or do you think he needs to just take a little time and for just like ease back and reflect on his feelings? Sound off below.
At the country boy again, it's Charlie, and you're watching Duttyberry social media countdown. Oh,
and number one goes to Watch His Style gone viral. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to the viral Watch His Style song. Like, I don't even know if that is the name, but may I tell you, people, from the minute me hear the song, I say, this is a hit. I actually thought this was our official song. We have music video put on a long time, and I was just late to the party. But this video is a part, I saw this video from, and it comes from the OTP Control YouTube family, and they're known as the guys that go around and they just have these vibing sessions, freestyle sessions with artists on the roadside. And trust me, people, them channel Shell, and I have to just big them up because they literally brought this man, this rising artist to the forefront.
Yeah, people, so today we there with
one big stand, you know, say one big stand on YouTube, one big stand on the gram, one big stand on the audio mac. Check out the artist, you know. Rolex pa me receipt a bust down. We style a gyal a so yeah, she custom. Man, I make money fast trap, no funds. Fat bim park up a gate front. Sell me a bills bag with a magnum. Me link up my dog, them panny background. Me sell couple strap, I'm a fire some. Boy, I feel watch the style, big split, fully chip. You know we rich, pass the brick. Let me fling it on the pretty little bitch. Watch a girl, my youth, cause she want to suck me. I will lock it on, dog, yeah, them want be one away. And I try violate, cause the Glock, you know it chip. And the money where me flick, it can feed the family. For my wrist, it cool like the ice in my fridge. I figure if me gold, kick it like a ribberito. I'm a style tough dog, just call it concrete. A clocks for my feet, 30 grand feet straight.
Yeah, and watch it now. No, honestly, like the brother ride the rhythm line. Honestly, this song is a hit right now. More want to see a music video put out for this song here next week. And the song has taken over TikTok right now till people are doing a challenge where they basically say what they would do if they would dance some money, what would convince them to dance some money.
Me link up my dog, them panny background. Me sell couple strap, I'm a fire some. Boy, I feel. Watch the style, big split, fully chip, you know we rich pa. Me link up my dog, them panny background. Me sell couple strap, I'm a fire some. Boy, I feel. Watch the style, big split, fully chip, you know we rich pass the brick. Me fling it on the.
And let me know if you have come across this song on your social media. Well, that is it, Berrydos. We've come to another top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please still hit the thumbs up button, turn on the post notification, leave a comment down below. You know, subscribe to the channel. Please tell a friend. May I try to get to the 300,000 subscribers, as well as to follow me on my social media all over. And if you want to advertise within the social media countdown, then send me an email right here, so. Right here, so. Right here, so. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, him cover all the topics like a him name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.